How to reset home screen layout to default on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can reset home screen layout to default on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. Open up settings in your device. Tap on apps. Here tap on see all apps. Tap on the three dot at the top right and head over source system. Once you're here, tap on the search icon at the top right. Now you have to search for System Launcher, and once you search for it, tap on System Launcher. Once you're on the app info of System Launcher, you have to head over to Storage, and there now you have to tap on Clear Data and also Clear Cache, then confirm the state. Now once you clear data and cache of your System Launcher, all you have to do is restart your device, and once you restart your device, the changes will be applied and your home screen layout will be reset and it will return to default positions. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.